Welcome aboard the beautiful Ocean Blue, a 2015 Beneteau Oceans 45, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. Designed with performance in mind, the Beneteau Oceans 45 boasts a long, graceful waterline and delivers an exceptional sailing experience that even the most competitive sailor will appreciate. Ocean Blue has been well cared for and is in excellent condition. She has an electronically controlled, full-width, full-down transom, which creates a huge swim platform for easy boarding and relaxation. A robust, custom stainless steel arch and davit system has been added to Ocean Blue. Ocean Blue has a very large and comfortable cockpit with twin leather-wrapped stainless steel wheels and is safe and secure while at anchor or sailing, and has many features that make sailing Ocean Blue a dream to sail even single-handed. An easily viewed B&G 12-inch touchscreen chart plotter is mounted at the cockpit table on a swivel between both helms. The main jib sheets run back to the helms and are easily controlled by the Harken 2-speed electric primary winches. At the port helm, there is a B&G 9-inch chart plotter and autopilot control, and maneuvering and docking are simplified and effortless with a bow thruster. At the starboard helm, there's an additional B&G 9-inch chart plotter. The large center table is easy to move around, both open and closed, has a large storage area, and has easy to reach handrails that adds to the security of this vessel. Control lines are led back to the cockpit to an easily accessed and controlled Harken electric winch mounted on the port cabin top. Moving forward, a factory fiberglass arch between the Dodger and Bimini has well-placed stainless steel handholds for safety and security. Side decks are wide and have great access from the cockpit, and have mounted the Harken Easy Glide Genoa car system that the car can be adjusted while under load from the cockpit. There is a convenient forward storage locker with a stainless steel ladder. The clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the windlass and the large anchor locker, which is all below the flush fit deck hatch. The deck features flush hatches that keeps line from catching while sailing. Ocean Blue has a high-aspect ICW Friendly mast, and its in-mast furling provides a powerful and safe rig that is easy to operate. The companionway is wide and open with plexiglass hatch and doors, which contribute to the feeling of a unified space between the interior and the exterior. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable with easy entry on the gradual steps. Once below, you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior, and the saloon is bathed in the natural light. On the starboard side is a U-shaped settee with an additional bench seat. The table can be lowered to convert the settee into an additional large berth. On the port side are two comfortable seats with a small table in between, which lifts to access even more storage, and there is storage behind both settees. The large galley offers a double stainless steel sink that also has covers to increase countertop size. The stove is a gimbaled Force 10 3-burner stove with oven. The large easy-to-access freezer has a countertop opening, and there is a front opening refrigerator. The large aft cabin to port is a bright and comfortable space that has excellent standing room along with plenty of room over the bed. The aft starboard cabin is also a bright and comfortable space that has excellent standing room along with plenty of room over the bed and includes a private access to the aft head. Just off the saloon and with close access to the cockpit is the aft head, which is bright and spacious, that also features a large, beautiful sink, electric toilet, and has a large walk-in shower with plexiglass shower door. The large master suite is forward and has a centerline walk-around queen with a large drawer underneath. There are multiple hatches and ports, allowing plentiful amounts of light to enter and provide an amazing view from the cabin. This cabin includes a large and very functional private head that features a large sink and electric toilet. The large walk-in shower is roomy and well equipped with beautiful high-end fixtures and plexiglass shower door. For owners and guests, these cabins are the perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. The Beneteau Oceans 45 is powered by a Yamor diesel engine that produces 54 horsepower and is equipped with a 7.5 kilowatt Cummins generator. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, Ocean Blue strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort. To book your appointment to view Ocean Blue, contact Little Yacht Sales.